Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Now we need to scroll down. At the bottom we have version, and you need to tap at this line and to check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!